As you can tell, it is a 1968 model, because quickest way to know that is ask the owner. Since I own it, I'm telling you it's a 68, so just go with it. Easiest way to tell 67 from 68. 67 and 68 have rounded wheel wells. 69s kind of taper off kind of flat. 69s have the little vent louvers right there. 68s have side marker lights. 67s have a triangular window. Just the quickest way you can tell the difference between the three. So this here car is, of course, project. Don't mind all the crap in it. You know, we've already been doing a little rust repair on the deck lid. We're gonna skin that quarter. As you can tell, it's got a lot of, previous owners had a lot of Bondo on it. We'll be replacing the fenders. I mean, this is the scrap yard, if you can't tell. We got crap everywhere. Somewhere down there is a small block 350 that's been bored over. I ain't got but a few thousand miles on it, but it's back when you could go to Advanced Auto and order yourself up a Chevy 350 engine, tell them what you want, and actually have it affordable. So as you can tell, it needs a little work. Take a look inside. Oh, I think we might have had rats at one time. Crap hanging everywhere, you can't really tell. Class of 98. That was actually mine when I graduated high school. Graduation night, or well, a week or so later, I put the motor in this car. B&M quick shift. Smells like something dead in here. I think the cat's been in here living and pissing and who knows what else. It's always nice. Piss cat. 68 Camaro.